Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create whiteboard animation video using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all I'm going to design the whiteboard. I'm just going to add element to my design. I'm going to add, for example, lamp element. Okay, I'm going to click on see all right here, and then I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Then I'm going to add text to my design. Click on text, and I'm going to add heading. I'm just going to add for instance, our new idea. Okay, and I'm going to change the font to handwriting. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, make it bigger. All right, and I'm going to save this design. I'm going to click on share and then click on download. Okay, and just wait until this design downloaded. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to go back to the Canva home, and I'm going to create new design. I'm gonna select video. Okay, then I'm going to use Canva apps to create whiteboard animation video. You can go to the apps menu and then search for the speed painter. Okay, we can use this app to create whiteboard animation video. Just tap on that and choose the image we have just saved. Okay, this one, and we can customize the sketch duration. I'm going to select 5 seconds, and I'm going to select the color filtration. I'm going to select 1 second, and then we can click on generate. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, now my video has been generated, and I'm going to add it to my design. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create whiteboard animation video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.